Tara, samahan niyo ako magkape sa malatagaytay na view na cafe na ito. Tumambay at pagmasa ng mga koi fish. Mamangha sa napakagandang view at kumain ng masustansyang pagkain na may ganitong view. O, di ba? Dito lang yan sa Cielo Alto. Pagdating namin, bumungad sa amin ang magandang lobby at friendly staff nila. Ang maganda rito, kahit peak season dahil summer, ay meron pa ring reserved parking for check-in guests. For day tour client, not allowed ang pagbring ng food or outside food dahil marami na silang store na pwede nyong kainan. Pero for overnight check-in, pwede kayong magdala ng inyong sariling food pero bawal ang magluto. Pero imagine, right? Kakain ka ng may ganito kagandang view, sulit na sulit. Paggabi naman, while chilling, may available na performer. Pag check-in ng 2 p.m., i-a-assist kayo ng kanilang friendly staff. Dito kahit tirik ang araw, hindi mo masyadong ramdam ang init dahil napakalamig ng simoy ng hangin. Malatagaytay nga talaga. Pero ito ay 1 hour and 30 minutes away lang from Metro Manila. May mga available A-house sila na good for 2, good for 4, and good for family or 8 packs. Clean place, beautiful scenery, and clean A-houses. This is very cozy. Though this is just a fun room. Dahil nga sa cold weather here, hindi mo na kailangan ng AC. Dahil sa fan lang, grabe, ramdam mo na yung lamig kahit yung hangin dito. Pagtambay mo lang, ramdam na ramdam mo yung lamig at presko ng hangin. Napakasarap. This is really perfect for single or couple or family na gustong mag-unwind at mag-relax. Grabe, sobrang sulit na ito. For our first stop, dinaanan namin ang Din de Luca Cafe na may napakagandang scenery din dito sa lugar. The place is very cozy and has a very chillin' vibe. We tried their coffee and their pastries. It was good. And for me, if I will rate it, it's 7 out of 10. After cafe, we went back to Cielo Alto to check and explore their places. May mga available na carnival games, bump car, and other games as well that you and your family can enjoy. We also took advantage of their massage chair. So for check-in guests, meron kang free 10 minutes. We just added 20 minutes for 100 pesos to make it 30 minutes. After we ate dinner, it's now time to rest. See you tomorrow for part 2. Bye!